Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Altima and I will explain what brake auto hold is and how to use it. This video should apply to 6th generation of Nissan Altimas, but the ones after the facelift, so from 2022 to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now first I will explain what brake auto hold is. Now the purpose of this feature is when you drive and you stop on a traffic light, and you typically when you're in drive mode you have to keep holding the brake pedal. If this feature is enabled, then you can remove your right foot from the brake pedal and the vehicle will remain braking, and then when you start accelerating the auto hold will disengage, and then again once you come to the next traffic light and you brake and make a full stop and you remove your leg from the brake, the vehicle will keep applying the brake automatically. So that's what it is. Its purpose is to for your comfort, to relax your right foot while driving. Okay, now how to use this option. Now pretty much you want to be, let's say, in drive mode, because if you're in a parking mode and you press it, you won't see any change on the instrument cluster. So if I shift to the drive mode and then I press this auto hold button, you will see this icon appearing right here, and now this is the green icon and it says hold. I will try to zoom in for you. Okay, see, it's green. So that means if I release my foot from the brake pedal, the vehicle will remain braking. And now for this light, for this automatic brake to disengage, all I have to do, I have to press the gas pedal, and I will do that now just to demonstrate to you that this light will now turn white. Okay, you see, and now the light is white, and now I'm kind of driving in drive mode. And once I come to the traffic light, I will press the brake pedal again. I'm gonna make a full stop and I'm gonna remove my right foot from the brake pedal, and you can see this light remain green. So to summarize, when the light is green, that means that the auto brake is applied. When the light is white, that means it's not applied. And to disengage this option, again, you just want to press this auto hold button once and the option will disengage. And yeah, that's what it is. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and it helped you to understand what auto brake hold is. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member.